Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Robertson. I'm one of the coordinators for the Global Learning Initiative. I wanted to just do a quick video to explain a couple of the activities that we're doing so far in this project, and particularly the Global Issues activity that's coming up very soon. So over here under activities, this is where we list out the things that we're going to be doing throughout this project. We've created our profiles so far. Most everyone has done the reading so far, Who Am I, and posted a response in the forum. I think everybody at this point has joined your group. If you haven't, go ahead and click this link and you can learn how to join your group. All of the groups are identified on the homepage. Everybody is working right now on the location analysis and finishing that up. That's going to be due by the 28th. So here in just a couple of days, we want to have the location analysis posted inside your group space. One of the things that I really want to make sure I cover here, though, is the global issues activity. I'm going to go ahead and click that. What we're going to be doing with this is pretty well outlined in here. You've got a couple of roles within your group. You have one leader or editor, and all of these folks are students from a graduate level class. So these are professionals out in the world that are taking a class in the College of Education here at NC State University. Many of them are currently teachers themselves, so they're going to provide some really strong leadership for each of your groups and hopefully be able to answer any questions you have. So if you've got questions about what's going on and how to do this activity, please go ahead and feel free to post a question inside your group space, and your leader should be able to answer that. The rest of you are going to be researchers in your team, and I'll go over that in just a minute. But the process is outlined pretty much for each group inside this particular activity. But what I want to do is go back to the home page, and we're going to take one group to show you how this is going to work. And I'm going to start with, well, just the group that's at the top. We'll take a look at Accra. So the group Accra, you're going to be researching the global economy. And each group you can see down here in Athens, they're going to do the global economy as well. But the difference is Accra is going to do Focus Area 1, Athens is doing Focus Area 2, and there is going to be some overlap. So Accra, other people will also be doing the global economy in Focus Area 1 as well. But you find out about this by going up to the global economy up here at the top. So all of these are spelled out up here, and each group is going to be doing one of these three areas. So Accra, you're going to be doing the global economy, and some information about that is right up here at the top. Many things you'll want to be looking at when you're doing your research. But it said you're doing Focus Area 1. So in this case, Focus Area 1 in the global economy is looking at ecotourism. So you're going to go out, all the researchers, and research the topic of ecotourism. And you're going to bring back your research to your group space, and all the researchers are going to post their research inside your group space, what you find, all the stuff that's out there about ecotourism. What are the issues? What are the main topics that you can find that are issues worth researching further? When your group members all bring that back and post that inside your group space, everybody's going to take a look at that, and from that you're going to figure out what's a research topic area that you want to focus on more, because it's a pretty diverse area. So for each focus area, we've provided both a research topic example. In this case, it's about Costa Rica. It doesn't have to be using that topic example. You can find something different. This is just to give you an example so you know what we're looking for. And once you pick your topic, you're going to develop an inquiry question, or maybe multiple questions, that help drive your research. And again, there's some examples here as well to show you what an inquiry question is about. And then you want to look at these three main questions. Each group is going to do this, that look at a country, a community, and an individual's responsibility. And this ties it back to the whole who am I and what is my place in the world. And it's part of our discovery for, how are we different, and part of the purpose for this entire Global Learning Initiative project to begin with. When you figure out what your topic is, though, you're going to create a blueprint, and along with coming up with your research topic and your inquiry question or questions, you're going to decide as a team how you want to present your research finding. Are you going to do like a slide share, which is sort of like this PowerPoint thing online? Are you going to do a Google Docs? What do you want to use? What tool do you want to use to present your research? If you go to the resources page, there are some ideas in here about some things you might look at, cool tools that are out there on the web. You might find one here that's really helpful, or you might know one on your own that you want to use. So just include that in your research or in your blueprint for how you want to present your research. Coordinate with your editor and your leader to get your research pulled together, and then when you're done, you're going to present all your research findings to everybody that's participating in the Global Learning Initiative. And hopefully when we're all done, we're going to learn a whole lot from each other about how we work and perceive some of the large global issues together. Thanks a lot.